In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use /commands in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to streamline your workflow, mastering /commands can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get you up to speed. First, we're going to start by opening a page in Notion. If you're unfamiliar with this process, let me guide you through it. Open up your Notion workspace and navigate to a page where you'd like to experiment with /commands. This could be an existing page, or you might want to create a new one to practice. Just click on the Add a Page option if you decide to start fresh. Once your page is ready, we're set to explore the world of /commands. Next, let's get familiar with how to reveal these powerful commands. Simply type the / key, which is also known as a slash, on your keyboard. As you do this, you'll notice a drop-down menu that appears immediately, filled with different command options. This menu is your gateway to quickly accessing a variety of features within Notion. Think of it as your own personal shortcut hub. Just by pressing this key, you can summon various elements without having to dig through menus. Now that we've brought up the commands, it's time to choose from the options available. You'll see a range of possibilities including tables, lists, and even embeds, among other things. These options allow you to format your page exactly how you'd like it. For example, if you want to add a to-do list to your page, simply find and select the to-do list option. If you're interested in inserting a database, look for table and give it a try. Notion's flexibility means you can customize your workspace precisely to your needs, maximizing your productivity. Finally, let's talk about inserting blocks quickly with shortcuts. Using the /command, you can quickly add different types of content blocks without breaking your flow. Once you get the hang of it, you can start typing your desired content immediately after the slash and see suggestions pop up. This is incredibly useful for maintaining momentum during your workflow. For instance, typing /table will allow you to swiftly create a table, and Power Embed lets you insert an external file or resource. The key here is practice. The more you use these shortcuts, the more intuitive they'll become, saving you precious time and effort. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using /commands in Notion. By familiarizing yourself with these commands, you can significantly enhance your efficiency and make the most out of Notion's capabilities. Keep experimenting, and soon enough, you'll be navigating through your tasks with ease and confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Notioning.